and welcome to the Edges of Earth. My name is Brock. Today I'm in Dhanushkodi, Tamil Nadu, India, and I'm with a couple new friends. A couple people reached out to me on Instagram and they invited me to hang out with them for an afternoon here. So I took a road trip, came to Dhanushkodi, and we are basically going to go eat lunch at like a village thing. Yeah. We're gonna go eat lunch at a village. Let's go. So if you don't know anything about this particular area, it's pretty interesting. Sri Lanka is just right over there. You can't see it, but it's just a few kilometers that way. It's a geographically interesting location of India. Before we go eat, let's explore a bit. So we stopped here for a moment to check out some of the shops, items for sale. They have so many different things that make a lot of shelf stuff.
So here are two different kind of pearls. Here there is a different color. It's not purely white here. But if you see here, this is white completely. So when you take out the pearls from this, that pearl will be like this. This is white. You can see the difference in this both color. Okay. So this is slightly yellow. This is not polished one. This is taken out from the shell, but it is not the polished one. You can see this is not the polished one.
Okay, so we just sat down to eat. We have, I don't know if you can see it very well, but we have this big plate. We have white rice, and it sounds like this is some type of chopped fish. Yeah, with spices. It's really good. Then we have squid. You said squid? By the way, you eat with your fingers, so this is like normal here. And this is, I'm guessing, some part of a fish. Fish. And then I think a crab. This really looks like a crab to me. Yeah?
Yeah, crab.
And then we also have shrimp.
Prawns. Yeah,
Prawn, shrimp. I think that's it. It's really good so far. I haven't tried the shrimp or the crab yet, but why not try now? It's very good. Each food has like its own set of spices. Yeah, like one food tastes like this, one food tastes like that, another food tastes, it's just totally different. And they're using spices that I don't even know how to describe because we don't use these spices in the United States. Yeah, these are very unique.
Whatever you can see in the sea, you have everything here. Different animals.
Yeah, all types of different things. So that's it. We just finished up eating in this small village next to the sea. It was amazing. What was your favorite? What was your favorite dish?
Prawns.
The prawns?
Squids.
Yeah, I think I only had two, but the flavor of the prawn, that was really good. I say second place was the squid. That was really good. I got a lot of those. They are wonderful chefs. Can you translate? These are wonderful chefs. Yeah, very good. Yeah, expert. They're prawn experts.
Iral.
Yeah?
In Tamil,
Keral.
Iral.
Eral.
Oh,
Okay. Okay. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed as much as I did. This was a cool, unique experience. Thanks to Krishna who invited me here and all of his friends. Thank you all for watching. Remember, your time is running out. Start living. Take care.